You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. I know many people get confused regarding this pronunciation. It shouldn't be, really. It's pretty straightforward once you know. British and American English pronunciations are similar here. Pew is how to say it, just like sew or bew, brew, do. Pew. Yes, the Americans do not say poo, right? No, never say poo. That's not for this word, it's a different word. This is pronounced English pronunciation, pew. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.